howdy, and hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Hop Nerd Podcast. I'm really pumped for this one. I think you are in for an absolute treat today because we are joined by an in-studio guest, and you know how rare that is. The last one that we did was my amazing friend Heather Hayes. I think before that it was some years. But we had somebody that specifically, they got on an airplane and they flew here for this, and taking away from what they're going to tell you is a really important job. Today we are joined by the famous, maybe infamous, Darrell the Safety Man. We're going to talk a little bit about safety, and then he's going to share some stuff with you about his up-and-coming country career. So with all of that being said, let's jump right into today's interview with the one, the only, Darrell the Safety Man. Darrell, welcome to the show. I've got to tell you, people have been requesting this one like crazy. Thanks for being here. All right. Let's get this over with. Nobody's got no time for all this talking and learning nonsense. Lord have mercy. Hold on a second. I've got important safety business to attend to. Goodness gracious. I think that'll work. Always got a safe and sound, baby. And hold up a minute there if you don't mind putting this on for me there, bud. Okay. Yep, I can do that. Hold on just a second. Let me see if I can get this on. There's candles, Darrell. I don't want to set myself on fire. My God. I want to get these on myself, too, before work starts. Forever, always, every time, baby. Gloves on. That said, drop these on for me, too, there, partner. Yeah, okay. Well, whatever makes you comfortable, man. Jesus Christ. Safety first, safety last, safety always, or else, baby. Yeah, and to all my other safety mans out there, we did do a pre-job brief before we got started. We did do a 2-minute drill before we got started. Duh. Yep, can confirm. I think that was the first thing that you said to me, Darrell, something about a pre-job brief and a 2-minute drill. We spent about an hour outside working on that, and then once we came into the studio here, we did do, can't confirm 100%. We did do a 2-minute drill before we got started. Okay, with all of that out of the way, Darrell, let's just jump right into it. For our listeners out there who might not know, you are in fact a safety professional, and you've been a safety professional for how long? It's Safety Man. And let's just say, I have seen more near misses than you have had dinners there, Sonny. I started back when safety meant a good pair of steel-toed boots and a safety first sign nailed to the wall, a good old-fashioned stand down, and a good old stop work card. None of this fancy pants, hop mumbo jumbo, take better care of people, learn from people crap. We didn't do any of that. Well, that's what's so exciting about having you on, my friend. I mean, we can really explore these changes in thinking, this evolution of safety, and really so much more. For example, in hop, we believe safety different. People just got to be more careful. Duh. Safety is simple, y'all. It is as simple as ABC. Always be careful. It's situational awareness. Pay more attention. Just watch what you're doing. It's just easy. I got a whole PowerPoint, actually a bunch of PowerPoints with clip art, videos from YouTube, and everything on that exact subject. ABC. Pay more attention. Always be careful. You know, actually, Darrell, we really prefer to look at how things made sense, the conditions, the actual choices that people had to choose from, all of it. The context? Yeah, the context sounds like a load of communist propaganda to me, y'all. Back in my day, just write them up. Event, written up. Bend the rules, break the rules, thought outside the box, thought at all. Write up. Darrell pull out his old safety write-up book. Boom, you guessed it. Write up. Sneeze, write up. Throw your back out, write up. Do anything that Darrell don't like, write up. Written up. Baby. 3 strikes and you are out of here, buddy. Now that's how you maintain discipline. How you hold people account on, man. Darrell, we actually find, we know this, we know that blame and punishment, it tends to just drive all of this information underground. I mean, a lot of times we're beating people up, we're punishing them for things that they didn't intend to do in the first place, hoping that it will keep them from doing them again or stop them from doing it again. It really prevents this vital learning and improvement that we need as organizations.
Learning and improvement. What in the hell are you even talking about, son? What are we, in a kindergarten? Listen, I know that we treat our employees like they are children. They deserve it, by the way. They got to follow them rules and pesky old employees. But this is a job site, sonny. We make widgets, not excuses. Now, hey, you over there, where's my coffee? And make sure it's not too hot. Safety first, safety first. Oh, thank you. Perfect. It's cold. Got to be cold. Safety first, y'all. That's a safe cup of coffee right there, baby. Gotta make sure I only limit myself to about half of one of these, and I drink 47 gallons of water. Heat stress awareness, baby.
Oh, okay, Darrell. I'm curious. With everything that you've said, what's your take on employee involvement, empowering and encouraging people to teach us about their lived experience, their lived operational reality?
Goodness God, what are we even talking about? Empowering workers? We just said they're children. You don't empower a bunch of Next thing you know, they're going to be wanting comfy chairs, tools that actually work. They're going to be wanting unlimited coffee breaks. They're going to want to have some choice in their procedures. They're going to want to have some input on what PPE they wear. Where does that leave old Darrell? It's up to me to make all those very important decisions for other people because only I know best because they're children.
Darrell, when people feel safe speaking up, when they feel safe sharing information with us, kind of going back to this idea that, people will only tell us what we allow them to tell us. When they're comfortable reporting and teaching us about the great, the good, the bad, the weird, the ugly, the scary stuff about their normal, everyday, usually successful work.
My God, you just don't get it. This stuff is easy, man. It is easy. You just don't understand how easy safety is. I don't tell too many people that because I like my job. But it is easy, man. Look, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Listen, I've got a rule that fixes all that. You tell me stuff or I fire you. Boom, done. Tell me stuff or else. That's it. And guess what? People tell me stuff. I'm sure of it. Tell me more stuff or I fire you. Boom, fixed it. Nailed it.
Okay, let's just stop talking about safety stuff, Darrell. And I know you're not a fan of anything very, very different. But I do want to move into a bit of a different subject, if you don't mind. I want to pivot into talking about your up-and-coming music career. In particular, this career in modern country music. I mean, you've taken the internet by storm.
I've been trying my luck at the old six string there. Been in the studio. Thank you so much for your production on that. I know we disagree on. Thank you for helping me produce something.
Yeah,
really
it's quite the number. You've released 2 verses to the song "Safety Man" so far. In fact, let's cut to your latest verse right now. Let's give that a listen.
Got my eyes on the safety prize. 0 incidents, that's my aim. Hell yeah. Eliminating OSHA recordables, my friend, that's just a safety game. 0, baby. Gotta pay attention, folks, to every sight and sound. Situational awareness, y'all. 'Cause danger's always lurking to put you and your bonus in the ground. 'Cause I'm a safety man, a safety cop, a legend in my time. Follow these rules and regulations, or I'll put you in the unemployment line.
Gotta tell you, man. I mean, it's catchy. It's catchy. It's definitely in line with most of, I think, about what we talked about during the first part of our episode so far. So yeah, pretty. I don't know that I would call it good, but it's something.
2 verses out to it. The song is called Safety Man. It is by your boy Darrell here. And I like to talk about those unsung heroes, those safety mans that are out there, making things not recordable, inspecting fire extinguishers, and patrolling that beat each and every day, big stick in one hand, write-up book in the other, keeping them pesky folks safe out there, making sure they're following all them rules 110% of the time. We ain't got no room for anything else, baby, no room for nothing else. And so, yeah, that's what the song's about, and I'm looking forward to it. We're setting up some acoustic shows coming up, unplugged, if you will. We're going to be recording some more verses in the near future. It's just great. We've got some music videos out there. Go follow me on the LinkedIn at Safety Man Darrell. I think it's just /Darrell. I don't know. Just search me. Search Safety Man Darrell. I'm the only one out there, baby. Over on Instagram as well, at Safety Man Darrell or Darrell the Safety Man or something like that. I don't know. It's out there. I post all my chart topping hits there. I post all kinds of wisdom, safety wisdom, like KISS. Keep it safe and simple. See, look at that. Just like ABC. Always be careful. We talk a lot about situational awareness. We show a lot of videos of people getting horrifically maimed and burned, and then it cuts to your boy Darrell saying, lost situational awareness there, bud. See, none of that would have happened if you just cared more about not dying. It's great. Social media is just a wonderful place for people like me. Quick question. Is Hop your first name or your last name there, son?
It's Sam.
Well,
you
I got to tell you, thanks for having me here, Mr. Nerd. Is it okay if I call you Hop? Hop? Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got to get out of here. I've got important safety business to attend to. I've got to inspect some fire extinguishers. I've got to take care of heaps and heaps of paperwork. I need to get out there and do some patrolling. I just got a feeling them folks just aren't doing they're cowboying it. That's all we got in this world out there doing any work. I got to get out there and turn them cowboys into saints, baby. And I got a hefty pile of recordables on my desk. Recordables I got to turn into first aids, if you know what I mean, y'all. Oh, yeah, your boy is Darrell here. He's a world-class case manager. Got trophies for it, baby. Got to turn them recordables into first aids. Yeah, yeah, zero, baby.
Yeah,
zero.
well, thanks for being here, Darrell. I've got to tell you, that was interesting. I think we learned mostly about probably what not to do.
And for crying out loud, would you fix this rug? You got all these fire hazard candles and incense burning, you damn hippie. And look at this lighting. This is way, way below the standard. You have got to get this lighting fixed. My God, I'm going to write you up before I get out of here. This is just ridiculous. That's it. Stop work. We're done with this one. Thanks for having me, Mr. Hop. It's been awesome spending a little bit of time with you. But your boy Darrell's out of here.